Yes, it's official. Hello everyone, my name is Alex and welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you two sure methods that you can use to download and install Wondershare Filmora 14 successfully. Well, the very first method right here, if you are in Filmora 13 or any of the previous versions, you go to this option right here, which is the Help tab, and then you select right here, and then down here you are going to find this option that says check for updates. Okay, now when you select this option right here, you are going to see Wondershare Filmora 14 popping up over here, provided that your computer is active internet connection. All right, and of course right here I have already upgraded mine, but if it's not upgraded, then it's going to show up right here the latest update of Filmora 14. But now let's assume that somehow this method could not work for you. Of course it's going to work. Okay, now this is the second method that you are going to use. Okay, use the link in the description of this video right here, and then it is going to take you to the official website of Wondershare Filmora. And when you get here, you can select this option right here, try for free, to download the installer pack. Okay, once the installer is downloaded, you have to select it over here to install, and right here again, provided your internet connection is active, it's going to start downloading the actual Filmora 14 new update. Well, my dear friends, just after launching your Wondershare Filmora, this is the very first interface that you are going to see right here, which is called the startup menu. Okay, without going further, if you would like an honest and a well-explained tutorial of revealing these Filmora 14 features, you can go ahead freely select to click the video that is showing up on my left. Then you can see this first part of the review of Filmora 14.